Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a super cool stone statue effect. It's completely free and super easy. You will only need the Dream Face app, and in just a few steps your photo will look like a piece of ancient art. Okay, first, if you don't have Dream Face yet, just head over to the Play Store and just download it. And when installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. It's just easy peasy. And the good news is Dreamface offers a free plan that you will get weekly credits and a limited number of daily AI generations. So you can try it without spending a cent. Now let's transform our photo. From the home screen, just tap on the AI filter and then just scroll down until you find super filter sections like this, and then search for stone statue like this. Just tap on it. As you can see, the preview show a face turned into a realistic stone sculpture, and then just select your photo that you want to use. You can choose a selfie or a portrait of a friend or even a pet. And once you're done selecting the photo, then just hit animate. Oh my god, I'm shocked. Just see, look at this. The details are insane. You can clearly see the stone texture and the shadows, and even it has a little crack on the statue. But I'll be honest, I'm a little shocked thus it generates almost a full body, which can be a bit weird or even slightly awkward. But still, the face looks super cool and really gives that ancient statue vibe. And okay, maybe that's it. Turning your photo into a statue stone masterpiece takes less than a minute. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!